Hello kids, today we will draw an angry bird. First draw a line, like this. Then make it curve, and draw a long line. Draw it like a triangle. But leave a small gap, like this. Well done, now draw the eyebrows in the gap. Draw it like a long square. Good job, now draw another eyebrow, but make it in an angle. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, look how cute it's looking. Now draw the angry bird mouth. First draw a long L shape. Now connect it and make it like a pyramid. Now draw the lower side also. Well done, we draw the mouth. Now let's draw the angry bird mouth. Draw a circle, like this. Now draw the other eye also. Well done, now draw a black dot inside it. Draw it like this, and it's done. Now draw a big curved line, and draw the stomach. Well done, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, draw the tail. Make some curved line. Draw some long, and draw some small curved line, like this. Good job, now draw some hair on the head. Do the same thing, and draw the curved line. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, it's looking very great. Lastly, draw a heart shape on left side. You can also draw other shape if you want. Good job, now draw the heart on the right side also. Well done, we complete the drawing, so let's color it. First use red color and color the heart shape. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Look how great it's looking. Now color the other heart also. Do the same thing. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. Now let's color the angry bird body. Use yellow color and color the outline. Carefully fill the color on the eyebrows, like this. You know know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now slowly fill the color. Color up and down, up and down, up and down, and it's done. Color the lower part first. Good job! Now color the upper part also. Lastly, color the other side also. Carefully fill the color, and don't make any mistake. Now use orange color, and color the mouth. Color the upper part. Then color the lower triangle also. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's color the eyebrows. Use brown color and color the square part. Good job! Now color the other eyebrow also. Well done! It's looking very great. Now use black color and color the tail first. Color only inside it and don't make any mistake. Good job! Now color the hair also. Color the corner part slowly, and it's done. Well done, we complete the hair coloring. Now use gray color, and make the shadow. Draw a curved line on white part like this. Now color the yellow part also. Lastly, use white color, and make the drawing more shiny. Draw some line on the nose. Now draw the long curved line and fill the color. Also draw a small white circle, like this. Lastly, draw a small dot on the eye. Draw the dot on each eye, and it's done. Good job! We complete the drawing. Kids, can you tell what is the angry bird name is? He is yellow in color, and he is very fast, and his name is Chuck. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.